In this video, we'll be seeing how to create an SQL template in ADOC. An SQL filter allows you to write a Spark SQL expression to filter data from an asset in your database. The SQL filter can be used in a data quality policy as a transform column or as a validation rule. For this demo, we'll be using the employees table. The first name and the last name column will be used as the transformation column, and the country ISO code column will be used for the validation rule. Since we are creating a template, navigate to the settings page and click user defined templates. Click create new and continue with the transform user defined template option. Provide a name and description for the transform UDT. In the language drop-down list, select expression. Select an UDF data type for the expression. I'll be selecting the string data type. In the code panel, enter your SQL expression. I'll be writing an expression to append 2 columns. Click validate and select manual or with asset option. I'll continue by selecting an asset, that is the employees table. In the set reference variables pop-up, I'll be selecting the 2 columns that should override the column names provided in my first code, that is first name and last name columns from the employees table. Click validate to view the sample data for it. As you can see, the predicate result column contains the appended names. Now let's save and create a validation user-defined template. Provide the required details and select the language as expression. In the code panel, I will be entering a Spark SQL expression to check the country column data. Let's validate by selecting an asset, in this case, the employees table. In the reference variables pop-up, I'll be selecting the country ISO code column as the override value. Once again, click validate to view the results. As you can see, in the predicate result column, the output results are of Boolean data type. All values in the country ISO code that are not US are displayed as false, else true. Let's save the validation UDT and create a data quality policy for the employees table. Navigate to the Actions button, select Policy, and then add Data Quality Policy. In the Data Quality Policy page, provide a name and a description for it. In the User Defined Transformations panel, click Add Transformations. From the Attach User Defined Template pop-up box, select SQL Transform option and provide values for the function variables. Validate the variables, provide a name for the transformed column and add the column. I'll be naming it SQL column. You can use the SQL rule definition to add an SQL template to the transform column we just created. Click Add Rule, select an expression, in this case SQL filter, and provide the value for which you want to apply the SQL rule to. Instead of writing the Spark SQL expression, we are just selecting the SQL filter template that was previously created. Now, you can save the policy and execute it to view its results. Once the execution is successful, you can view the execution summary, quality summary results, and other execution details. Click the View Code button to view the code written. In the Sample Results panel, you can view the good and bad record details as well. As you can see, the country ISO code column displays all the countries whose values are false, and the Transform SQL column consists of the appended names. I hope you got an understanding of the purpose of using an SQL template. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.